Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for 21 of April, Thursday. Right, so yesterday I didn't actually do any video. The reason why is because I just felt lazy. Okay, I was freaking lazy, and when I'm lazy you cannot beat me in laziness, man. I mean, when I'm lazy I'm like really lazy, and damn, it's like I'm the laziest person on earth. But anyway, let's get into this, update. Before that, I do want to tell you, do check out the trading course to pay with 29 bucks instead of 49 for the 18 hours course of contents. You can come into the Discord, join the Discord, and click on the announcements tab, by the way, and message me by clicking my name, right? So I do even give some general tips. So if you just want to learn general knowledge and the community, crypto community out there. All right, so I'm gonna pick it off from the last time that I actually left you with this very symmetrical triangle right over here. So this was a symmetrical triangle. You cannot say it is not a symmetrical triangle. But what you did instead is this time you pushed to the downside and you passed the retest, went to the upside, and this bear pennant was just killed out of the way. Okay, so which actually on the daily time frame, if you look at it that way, this was just one big whooping wick to the downside, mid wick to the downside. And I told you guys, the only thing that I want to see for Bitcoin to flip my opinion about Bitcoin is that it has to get above this line. Okay, so yeah, so the ascending triangle drama is still in play, and since you made a fake out here to go to the upside, you make one fake out here to go, and there was always a room. I told you there was always a possibility that you can make a fake out, because the apex is taking you until next month, or by the end of the next month. So if you see a break to the downside, maybe by 26th of May or 23 of May, it could be a real break to the downside to even go to the 33,000 regions. Or if you start to actually break to the upside, then boom, you go to the $56,000. That's what I was actually trying to convey. So to, apex on a monthly time frame, or maybe the weekly time frame, is going to be still taking 4 to 5 more weeks. But within 4 to 5 weeks, I do see a lot of good, rise to the upside. But anyway, what's next and what's the next target? Okay, so I'm actually gonna do this very quickly with you. And what I do think though for Bitcoin is that right now you went to the upside, dome like that one, make a nice good flag right over here, and the technical target for Bitcoin, if you measure the flag, is going to be from the top to the bottom, and this is where you're breaking out of it. The next technical target is 43,216, right? So 43,000 is the price prediction that I do have. But the main another resistance that actually does make sense after $43,000 is the resistance right here at the $44,000 as well. So if it does go to 43, I don't think it's really hard for Bitcoin to do 44,000 as well, because that's the only resistance which we are facing in the past history for the ascending triangle, the 44,500 breaking out and making fake outs. Okay, so it is what it is right now. You are reaching near the end of the apex, and to give you this idea is that ascending triangles are bullish. Okay, and they are mostly bullish, and they are reversals to the upside. Rarely does it happen like 14% of the time you actually break from the downside, backtest and fail. Very rarely it happens, but you can still break to the downside and go to the downside as well. Keep that in mind. But most of the time, in most cases, you're going to see this thing actually go to the upside. So yeah, let's see what happens, guys. Ever since November, we've been just dropping and dropping massively. We've had too many people right here exhausted and wasted right now. It's time for a little bit of a payoff, hopefully in the future. So yeah, let's see what happens. And that's it for this Bitcoin update. I'm gonna see you again tomorrow, hopefully with a new one. What is it again? Yeah, Allah Hafiz.